Nestled in the farmlands of the Eastern Free State, surrounded by spectacular sandstone cliffs and Maluti Mountains, Sandstone Estate is a progressive agricultural farm. Its independent wing, the Sandstone Heritage Trust, is the centre of excellence and in the global preservation of steam locomotives, agriculture equipment, cars, trucks, and anything mechanical related to the history and development of South Africa. The undisputed jewel in its preservation effort is the narrow gauge railway that is being periodically extended in length. Oops, we derailed the wagon here as the ballast falls on the rails. Back on the rails. The Sandstone team has been able to rescue a number of abandoned and decaying locos and wagons and restore them to the former glory. Early morning is steam paparazzi time. Photographers from all around the world flock here to photograph a rare sight of steam engine in operation. While photographers enjoy morning tea, for the crew of engine men it's time to head for the steam loco workshop to service the engine. Refreshed by clean grates, shovel loads of coal and fresh water, the Barclay 042 tank loco built in 1916 is back for steaming. As any mechanical equipment, a steam locomotive is subject to breakdowns. In this case, a water pipe broke, and the fires needed to be put out to prevent the boiler from being damaged. At Sandstone, the help is never far away. This NG G16 Garrett, built by Cockrell in 1937, rushes to help. Now the photographic afternoon continues with the Garrett loco. Very few countries can pride themselves to use the largest 2-foot gauge steam engines in the world. They were specifically designed for South African conditions. Now it's time to blow the impurities from the boiler and service the loco. This railway originated some 7 years ago when the historical Midmar village was closed in Natal. The purchase of materials from the auction at Midmar formed the basis of the new line. In fact, these items make up a very small percentage of the total railway, both in terms of track and locomotives. Nevertheless, it was a start. The fire hazard is always prevalent during steam operations, as flying sparks can ignite dry vegetation. While the Sandstone engines steam by yellow cliffs, its Kalahari locomotive is being trucked down to Eastern Cape for the Aventure Adventure Run.